next video, we will discuss about our Mailchimp add-on. So for the Mailchimp free version, you don't need the Pro plugin. We'll just show you how the free one works. How to install these plugins. A link of a video should pop up on top of this video by now. Now we need to go to Ultra Addons all add-ons and look for Mailchimp. So here we have the Mailchimp integration. We enable this. And then let's go ahead and create our form. Hit save. Now if we go to Mailchimp, then enable this. So it will first show you nothing because we haven't added the Mailchimp API. So let me first go to the settings and add our API. So how to get the API? We have given a link to the article. So you need to go to Mailchimp. I'll want to go to login. I already logged in, so that's why it's showing like this. And you need to go to your profile and extras. You will get these API keys here. So let's create an API key and we name it U2. And we generate the key. We copy the key on clipboard. We paste the key here and we hit save. So if the key works, it should show a message like this. So it's showing. Now let's go back to our form. This is our Mailchimp form. And we go and enable Mailchimp. So now it's showing everything is chimpy. So here it's already pulled our audience. So currently we have just one audience. So that's why it's showing config. So we need to map our fields with the subscriber email, first name and last name. So what we will do here, we will create two fields. I name this one first name. This is the last name. This is my email. And we don't need these two because this will be a subscription form. Why do you need all these options? Now we have to go and select your email. Oh, sorry, we forgot to change the tags. So first name, last name. Now let's save. Now we can select first name and last name. Now we save these. We have to publish this form. And view the form. Now let me fill this out. So let me go ahead and see my Mailchimp audience. So here we go. You can see it's now here. So we can also link these address field, phone number field, birthday, text is from our add-on using the custom field options. Here we had a phone field. We name this phone. We hit save. Now we scroll down. I'll add our phone field. And here we need to get large tags. So if you search Google Match, that's Mailchimp, you'll get this sheet link. Then here, you like to find the fall field here. So all I have to do is copy this part I'll add this here and save. We must check our file. So we chose here we 3, 4, 6 like 9, but 6, 4, 5. We submit. Launcher check our Addons. So as you see, you have tools boa when we have is for logger. So that's the same process for any other fields. So you can add address field and so on to this custom. That's it. Let me know in my comments if you have any questions.